What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today I am very excited to bring to you this 2009 340 Crownline. Now, Crownline is not a brand that I get to sell very often. There is not a ton of them in the Clear Lake area. However, I have sold this one before. It has been very well maintained and I am very excited to bring it to you. With all that being said, let's hop straight into the tour. Starting back here on the swim platform, you do have teak wood inlays all the way throughout the swim platform, including on top of your hatches here, which both of these are coolers. You open it up, it's got drains in them, so you can fill them full of ice, water, snacks, drinks, just like the cruisers. You also have your swim ladder here. Taking a step on, cable management, fresh water, fill up, and then you have a TV phone hookup there, kind of irrelevant these days, and then stereo controls there. Some fender storage and line storage here, and then he obviously has the full enclosure on this boat. Isinglass all the way around. It's in great shape. You can see straight through it. It's not cloudy, foggy, ripped, or torn. Hopefully that comes through on camera. All right, stepping into the cockpit. You have your transom shower here, transom door there. Stepping in and looking back a little bit. Ooh, that was nice. You have your battery switches here and breaker panel. Taking a step back, you have your outdoor entertainment wet bar area. Nice stainless steel deep sink there. And then you have mini fridge here, complete with fireball shots. Can't have a day out on the lake without some fireball shots, in my opinion. And then you have outlet here, blend up some drinks, and some more storage there. I'm gonna flip it around here, take a look at the starboard side of the boat. You have J-shaped seating. You can fit a ton of people back here. Obviously, this is the cockpit table, and it can go down and fill into a nice sun bench. You could also have somebody sleep out here if you like them a little bit less than the rest of your guests. Or maybe they're a little bit more adventurous. Who knows? Call is yours. And just gonna show you the cockpit area. I did want to point up and show you that it does have a hard top cover up top. It's not just an arch, which is very nice because you get permanent shade and a skylight. Very cool. But you get permanent shade year round. You're not having to worry about your canvas getting tore up with that nice hard top. Moving up into the helm, you have a rear facing sun bench here, so your captain's not alone. Steps to go up, and it is a walk-through windshield. So this isinglass comes out here in the middle, and then this door flips open. We'll walk up there before the end of this video. Taking a look at the helm, you do have two seats here at the helm with a flip-up bolster, so captain's not riding alone, hopefully. And taking a look at the helm station, all the gauges and dash are in fantastic shape. No fading, cracking, none of that. They all work. You have your multi-digital display readout here, and then your SIMRAD GPS and radar here. Button switches all clearly labeled. Everything looks fantastic. Spotlight control and joystick steering here, and then your throttle controls here. This boat also has skyhook, which is a very neat feature. It's like a GPS anchor, basically. And then your VHF radio. All right, it is 4 steps down into the cabin, and one of the first things you'll notice about Crownline is their fit and finish is fantastic. These are real wood floors, and they look absolutely gorgeous in this boat. All right, I'm gonna take a step back, let you look at the cabin, and then we'll start doing a detailed walkthrough. Like I said, it's only a 34-foot boat, so the cabin is a nice little weekender stay, and looks beautiful. I mean, it's a beautiful looking boat. All the fit, finish, wood, all of it looks great. Obviously, this can turn into a seating area, so this isn't permanently a bed, but as you can see, a nice big, this has got to be a double bed. You can fit 2 people in there, no problem. AC vents at your feet, so you get cold air blowing on you. And then a little flip down DVD player, a little minivan style right there. Very cool feature. You don't see that almost anywhere. And then you have storage up above with reading lights there. One last look, and then again, you can be turned into a couch seating area, as most of these aft berths do. Hanging locker. Very nice, cedar lined. Moving over to the salon, you have a J-shaped couch here. Nice wood finish table. And storage up above. I'll open up some of these so you can take a look. Nice deep storage, you can fit a lot in there. And I'm not gonna open up all of them, but storage overhead. He's got his TV mounted here. Here is your panel. Taking a look at the galley, we have a stainless steel mini fridge as well as a stainless steel microwave. And we have a 2-burner stovetop, deep stainless steel sink, which looks fantastic with a little soap dispenser. Very cool. And some overhead storage here, or above the counter storage, I should say. Nice and deep for you to put your bowls and plates and cups, and some food storage here. And then one last look down below, under sink access here, in case you have any plumbing issues. Most of the time hide in your trash can. And am I the only one? But that stuff's just full of plastic grocery bags. I can't be the only one. All right, moving forward to the forward V-berth. As you can see, you do have a step up to easily climb into the bed. Couple of drawers under here for your skivvies. And taking a look at the V-berth bed. It is a funny shaped mattress, so this whole thing is a bed. So I don't know exactly the size, queen size at least, but plenty of space. So you can see this entire thing here is mattress. So nice large bed. And they do have a TV, a larger TV here. It was here when I got here, so I'm going to leave it just like that for now. You do have AC vents there, as well as, sorry, the boat is rocking and rolling as I'm trying to shoot this video, as well as surround sound speakers there, and reading lights, and a little bit of extra storage there. All right, and moving into the head, on a 34-foot boat, it is pretty much expected that it's going to be a wet head. In this case, it is, but you do have a nice stainless steel sink. All the furniture on here is stainless steel. You have a nice mirror here. Hello, so you can look at yourself while you're taking a shower. Make sure you hit all the spots. And storage up above. Watertight storage there, so you do pull that out, and you have a little bit more storage back here. A very neat feature here is a place to stow your toilet paper, so you won't get soggy toilet paper. Bench that goes over the top of your head, so you can sit down while you're taking a shower, which is nice. And then you do have a tiny little vent here. Tiny little vent here to cool you down on Taco Tuesday. Faucet. And then your shower head. I think that's going to do it for the cabin. Let's head out to the bow of the boat. All right, taking a quick look at the bow. Obviously, you have your bow pad and bow cushion here, and it is reclinable, so it does have a seat that you can lay up and turn it into a recliner. Very nice. Like I mentioned earlier, it is a walk-through windshield. You do not have walk-arounds on either side. Nice cup holders, and then obviously you have your electric windlass and anchor locker there. No foot switches. However, you do have your remote control in there next to the windlass. And then obviously you have controls at the helm. All right, let's go take a look at the motors. And here is a quick look at the motors. Again, at the time of this recording, I don't have the ignition keys, so I can't check the hours, but they will be in the full ad, so click the link in the description down below, and it should be there. And taking a look over there, you do have your generator. These are the Mer Cruiser 496 mags. Very nice motors, and they've been very well maintained. They look basically brand new. With all that being said, please consider subscribing, and I will see y'all in the next one.